Are you looking for top-notch HVAC services in Highland Park, Texas and surrounding areas? Look no further than ELO Air Conditioning and Heating. At ELO Air Conditioning and Heating, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality workmanship and ensuring every client is thoroughly satisfied. Our team of skilled technicians is equipped to handle any HVAC need with precision and efficiency. From routine maintenance to complex installations, we're here to make sure your HVAC system runs smoothly and efficiently. And guess what? We don't just serve Highland Park. We proudly extend our services to Greenville, Commerce, Quinlan, Farmersville, Rowlett, Rockwall, Royce City, Wiley, Allen, Dallas, Irving, Grand Prairie, Arlington, Cedar Hill, and beyond. So why wait? Experience the difference with ELO Air Conditioning and Heating. Give us a call at 469-767-8508 or visit our website at elovac.com to schedule your HVAC service today. ELO Air Conditioning and Heating, keeping you comfortable every step of the way.